1965 Chevrolet Impala SS is famous for style, muscle, and American street presence, yet many strange and surprising facts hide under its smooth curves. Some details were accidents, others were experiments. Stay with me because the last few facts will change how you look at this car forever. The 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS arrived at a moment when American cars were becoming larger, louder, and more confident. Chevrolet wanted a car that felt luxurious but still had attitude. The SS badge meant super sport, yet what many people do not know is that the SS package in 1965 could be ordered with engines that were not really sporty. Some early SS models came with small V8s and even six-cylinder engines. Owners could buy the SS look without SS power. The result was a mix of true hot rods and stylish cruisers wearing the same badge. The weird part is how many people believed every SS was fast. The trim, badges, and bucket seats created the impression of performance even when the engine under the hood was calm. The idea of performance by appearance became a trend that many manufacturers soon copied. The 1965 Impala SS introduced a new body style with curved side glass. Chevrolet wanted a longer, lower shape that looked smooth from every angle. The curved glass was expensive and difficult to produce. Workers sometimes struggled with getting glass to fit perfectly into the frames. Some early production cars showed tiny, uneven gaps when examined closely. This detail became a collector curiosity. Another interesting fact is that the Impala name itself originally came from an African antelope known for grace and speed. Chevrolet designers studied animals when designing the body. The long trunk and flowing lines were meant to resemble movement even when parked. Inside the car, the dashboard layout was designed to surround the driver. The gauge cluster angles slightly inward. The steering wheel often came with a unique SS center cap. The bucket seats were optional, yet most SS cars were ordered with them. The seats were a major reason people loved sitting in the Impala. They created the feeling of being in something important. The Impala SS offered a floor-mounted shifter, which felt sporty and confident. Many drivers who grew up with column shifters felt like they were driving something special the moment they wrapped their hands around that stick. The introduction of the new full-coil suspension changed how the car rode. Chevrolet pushed for a smooth and floating feel. The result was a car that could glide on the highway, yet there was something unusual. When pushed hard into turns, the car leaned heavily. Some drivers joked that the Impala SS rode like a couch. It was comfortable first, performance second. However, the real surprise would come when buyers selected the right engine. The available 409 cubic inch V8 had already earned legendary status. In 1965, Chevrolet offered the 396 cubic inch V8 as well. These engines turned the Impala SS into a street king. The same car that could carry a family across states could suddenly roar louder than many factory muscle cars. Stay with me. The next chapter uncovers racing tricks, police stories, and one strange connection between the Impala SS and early lowrider culture. The 1965 Impala SS became a favorite in street racing. Car communities discovered that the big Chevy could hide surprising power. The 409 engine, especially the high-horsepower versions, produced serious torque. Drivers learned that a well-timed launch from a stoplight could catch almost any rival off guard. The Impala was not small, yet when tuned right, it moved quickly. Another weird fact is that the Impala SS appeared in many police departments as an undercover pursuit car. Police needed something that looked like a common cruiser but could accelerate fast enough to catch modified street racers. The Impala SS fit the role. Officers often selected dark colors and quiet exhaust systems to blend in. The moment red lights reflected in the rearview mirror of a speeding driver, it was usually too late. The Impala SS also played a major role in early lowrider culture. The long frame, smooth body sides, and large trunk made it perfect for hydraulic systems. Car clubs in California noticed that the Impala shape looked beautiful when lowered close to the ground. The 1965 model became cultural history, representing pride, identity, and style. Many custom Impalas from the 1960s survive today as artwork. Another interesting hidden detail lies under the hood. Chevrolet used different carburetor setups depending on the selected engine. Performance enthusiasts discovered that swapping carburetors and intake manifolds could unlock horsepower without opening the engine. These modifications were simple, cheap, and extremely popular. The Impala community formed a network of shared tuning secrets. The interior of the car often surprised people. The SS interior had brushed metal trim and textured panels. The design intention was to make the driver feel surrounded. People described the experience like sitting inside a performance theater. The smallest touches, including how the doors clicked shut, added to the impression of quality. One more strange yet true detail: some early Impala SS models developed small rattles as they aged. These rattles became part of the car's personality. Owners learned to identify each sound. Instead of being annoyed, they accepted them as part of the car's story. A perfectly silent Impala felt unfamiliar. Stay with me. The final chapter explores collector value, rare options, color secrets, and why this car remains emotionally powerful. Today, the 1965 Impala SS holds a special place in car culture. It is both a performance legend and a cultural symbol. Survivor cars, meaning cars still wearing their original parts and finishes, are extremely valuable. The challenge is that many Impalas were modified heavily, raced hard, or customized. Finding an untouched example feels like discovering treasure. Certain paint colors are rare. Colors like evening orchid, tropic turquoise, and Madeira maroon appear less commonly today. These colors can dramatically influence value. Some collectors hunt for specific colors for years. The engines tell another story. A matching numbers 409 or 396 SS is considered investment grade. These cars sell quickly at auctions. Their value continues to grow because they represent a golden era of American performance. However, the emotional power of the Impala SS goes deeper. This car carried families, cruised main streets, raced on weekends, showed up in movies, became a symbol of identity, and made memories. It was not just transportation, it was part of life. The long hood, the confident stance, the quiet interior when cruising, the deep rumble when accelerating. These sensations stay in the memory of anyone who has driven or ridden in one. The 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS remains loved because it is real. It was built for people who wanted presence. It allowed personality, whether stock or modified. It continues to represent confidence, freedom, and road story legacy. Thank you for watching. The 1965 Impala SS holds stories that go far beyond horsepower. If you enjoyed learning these hidden details, subscribe for more deep automotive history and surprising car facts. Comment your favorite detail below and share your own Impala memories. More legends are coming next.